Stocks are lower and quiet as I speak to you right now. The Dow, the S&P, and the Nasdaq are all just below the flat line, with the Russell up 0.58%. Gold is slightly higher, with silver, copper, crude oil, and Bitcoin all lower. Bitcoin down for its fourth straight session. The dollar is also lower against most majors. The Reserve Bank of Australia last night released the minutes from the August 11th and 12th meeting, and they showed unanimous support for a 25 basis point rate cut with further easing expected, but of course it's data dependent. Last night also we got the July Bank of Japan core CPI, and it rose 2.4% year on year, holding above the bank's target, reflecting stubborn inflation pressures and reinforcing expectations of continued monetary policy caution. Also, New York Fed President John Williams spoke last night and stated the era of low to neutral interest rates isn't over, emphasizing that structural forces are keeping underlying rates persistently low. Williams also believes a neutral rate remains lower than where the Fed funds rate is right now. Durable goods in the U.S. came in better than expected, but still negative at minus 2.8%, although quite a bit of it was a 32% drop in Boeing orders. Case-Shiller home prices were flat, and consumer confidence in the U.S. was better than expected at 97.4, with last month's figure being revised higher. Markets are awaiting Nvidia earnings, which are coming tomorrow after the close, and are causing markets to show lower volume just based on the impact of the company due to its sheer size. Nvidia has a $4.394 trillion market cap. Forecasts are about $1.01 EPS, $46 billion in revenue, and options are implying roughly a 7 to 8% move in either direction. Auctions begin today. U.S. 2-year note auction is set to offer an amount of $69 billion. Tomorrow's 5-year note auction is scheduled with an offering of about $70 billion. This is described in the Treasury auction calendar. Looking ahead, we do have other earnings being released today after the market closes. 9 companies with market caps over $1 billion are set to report earnings, including MongoDB, Okta, Box Inc., and PVH Corp. Tomorrow, before the market opens, we get another 9 companies with market caps of $1 billion or more reporting, and they include Williams-Sonoma, J.M. Smucker, Kohl's, and Abercrombie and Fitch. Data tomorrow, economic data, German consumer confidence, and Canadian wholesale sales. Overall, will be a quiet day awaiting Nvidia earnings.